Now let's talk about our values. These are the guiding principles. These are the things that guide us as a company. And the first is team unity. How we can come together as a team from our diverse backgrounds and skills and economic standings and where we've been before, and are we just starting in our career, are we well developed in that career? These are all differences that are very important to come together, and because in those differences we can find strengths. We can cover each other's weaknesses, and we can be a stronger team that can succeed at whatever it attempts to do by being in unity. Team unity, a core value at CDI. Customer focus. This is what gives us our drive to be able to take a look at our customer, find out what their critical mission or need is, and then focus on that. Understand them, understand their language, understand their technology, understand who they are as a customer. And once we have that understanding, we can come up with a much better solution for their critical mission. And then there's integrity. Integrity is very simple. Being true to our word, doing what we say we're going to do. It starts even with the product. If we advertise the product to do a certain thing, that's what it needs to do. When we have that level of integrity, we get the trust from the customers, from each other, when our word is our word and we do what we say that we're going to do. So integrity, very important value. Safety and wellness. Your physical safety, your co-workers' physical safety, and emotional safety, where we can come together as a team and we can be honest with each other, we can be open with each other, and we can do it in a safe environment. So safety and then wellness. We have a wellness program at CDI to assist each and every one to improve in your physical health. So safety and wellness are values that we hold at CDI for you. And then there's resourcefulness. We have resources in our hands, anything from tools, machines, computers, our own time. These are the resources that we've been given. How can we take those resources and do the very best we can for our customers so that we can deliver the very most value at the lowest possible cost with the highest possible quality? So we come together. We come together as a team, knowing that customer focus, in unity, and we apply things like Kaizen events or other lean principles to multiply those resources and build better product at lower prices faster than our competitors. If we do these things, if we stay true to our word, that's integrity. If we do it safely, keeping ourselves well, following that value of customer service and team unity, we can be the greatest team there is. That's what we want for each other.